Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to study the chapter number 3, which is source of fund for joint stock company. It's a most important chapter from your examination point of view, and it's a very technical chapter. If you are not understand technically, then definitely you will lose your marks in the board examinations. So my dear friends, understand very concentrately to this chapter. Okay, so when we talk about source of fund, what does it mean? What means of it? Source of fund means it means from where the company is collecting the fund for the business concern, as a capital, means for operating the business. Getting over means source of fund. What it is? Source of funds from where the company is collecting the amount from which the company can operate. Getting over? So that amount means as a capital. That amount, that is capital, which collect by the company from different type of sources. Means what are the sources? Whatever we are going to study here. My dear friends, it's a very technical chapter. Again I am saying it's a very technical chapter. If you will not understand concentrately, then you will definitely lose your marks in the board examination. So see here, source of fund for the joint. What will be the source of funds? Means from where the company will collect the source of fund. From where the company will collect the fund. Getting over? So see here, what? Source of fund, there are two types of fund. Long-term source of fund and short-term source of fund. Long-term source of fund and short-term source of fund. You can see here there are two types of source of fund. Long-term source of fund means for the long prospect, whatever company collects the amount, that is called long-term source of fund. Again I am saying what? I will say the definition, I will not write. I will say and you can write in your notebook. Okay, so my dear friends, long-term source of fund are those type of funds for collected by the company for the long prospect view. Getting? Okay, view of the long prospect. Okay, yeah, for the long period, for the long term. And short-term source of fund, short-term source of finance are that type of finance which collect for the very short period of time. Very short period of time, that is called short term source of fund. Getting over? So there are two type of fund: long term source of fund and second one is short term source of fund. Hope you all are getting? Okay. In long term source of fund and short term source of fund, what type of things we will consider under long term source of fund and under short term source of fund? See here. First thing, under long term source of fund, preference shares. Preference shares. It's the most important topic, and we will study in this lecture today. Okay, preference shares. Okay, I will come. Second one is equity shares. Means company raise the fund through equity shares. EQUITY, equity shares. Third one is retained earning. Retained earning. Whatever company earn the profit and whatever company earn the profit, and from that profit company retain the amount for the capital. We will see when we will study the retained earnings. Next one is debentures. Next one is loan from commercial bank, and next one is loan from financial institutions. These all are the point what for long term source of fund. Getting over? These all are point. First one is preference shares, second one is equity shares, third one is retained earning, fourth one is debenture, fourth one is loan from commercial bank and loan from financial institutions. These all are we will consider under long term source of fund. Okay. Under short term source of fund, what we will study? Public deposits, commercial bank, loan from commercial bank from very short period of time. Here you can see loan from commercial bank, means from commercial bank we can take the loan from the long period of for the long period of time, and from commercial bank we can take the loan from very short period of time. So we will discuss commercial bank. Next, trade credit, okay. Customer advances is factoring, its most important point. We will see intercorporate deposits and installment credit. These all are the point under which we will consider under short term source of fund. Getting over? Again I am saying we are studying the chapter number 3 source of fund for joint stock company, means joint stock company कैसे फंड का कलेक्शन करती है, इस चीज को हम पढ़ रहे हैं. दो तरीकों से करती है, पहला लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्स ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म तरीके से और दूसरा शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए. लॉन्ग टर्म फ्रॉम लॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड. अंडर लॉन्ग टर्म में कौन कौन से पॉइंट आते हैं? प्रेफरेंशियल इक्विटेशंस, रिटेन अर्निंग, डिबेंचर्स, लोन फ्रॉम कमर्शियल बैंक एंड लोन फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन. एंड अंडर शॉर्ट टर्म सोर्स ऑफ फंड पब्लिक डिपॉजिट, कमर्शियल बैंक, ट्रेड क्रेडिट, कस्टमर एडवांसेस, फैक्टरिंग, इंटरकॉर्पोरेट डिपॉजिट एंड इंस्टॉलमेंट क्रेडिट. Hope you all are getting. Hope you have to clear what are the long term and what are the short term. So we are going to start the first thing, shares. Okay, my dear friend. So first of all, we understand the meaning of shares. Okay, shares, what it is. You are already introduced by the name of shares. Definitely, everyone is knowing from the TV serials, from the movies, the name of shares. Okay, shares means is a unit of capital. Is a very short unit. Authorized capital. Okay, my dear, shares, what it is? Suppose authorized capital you are knowing very well, which is registered capital or nominal capital of the company. Getting over means when company collect the fund from the public through shares. Okay, so company distribute the authorized capital. Okay, distribute the authorized capital in a unit, in a very little amount. Okay, so whatever certificate made by the company as shares, that is called shares. Getting over? And who hold the share? Who purchase the shares? That is called shareholder. Getting over? Okay, shares is clear. Okay, shares, there are two type of shares. First one is preference shares and second one is equity shares. First one is preference shares and second one is equity shares. What about the preference shares? Preference shares, we are going to study preference shares first. See here, under long term source of fund, we are going to study preference shares. So what are the preference shares? We have to understand. I have written here, you can write preference share are those type of shares. Preference shares are those type of shares which are having preferential rights regard dividend and repayment of capital. Regards dividend and repayment of capital, that is called preference shares. Getting over? Means shares, there are two type of shares. First one is preference shares and second one is equity shares. Getting what is the preference share? Preference share are those type of shares which are having preferential rights regard dividend and repayment of the capital. Means before the equity shares, the dividend will pay to the preference shares. First condition, and second, before the repayment of capital, preference share will be paid at the time of winding up of the company. मतलब जब कंपनी खत्म होगी उस टाइम इक्विटी शेयर से पहले इनको पेमेंट किया जाता है. दूसरा, डिविडेंड देने के केस में इक्विटी शेयर्स के पहले प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को डिविडेंड दिए जाएंगे. तो जो ऐसे शेयर्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स कहते हैं. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन, यू कैन राइट, यू कैन नोट. ओके. And equity shares which is not preference share, that is called equity shares which is not preference share, that is called equity shares. Equity shares we will see in the next classes. Today we will see the preference shares. Okay, types of preference shares. See here. First type, cumulative preference shares. What? Cumulative preference shares. You can see here cumulative preference shares. What is cumulative preference shares? I am saying the definition of these types. Okay, you can write. Okay, after the listening of the definition. See, cumulative preference shares are those type of preference shares which dividend cumulate year by year. Getting? Cumulative preference shares, again I am repeating, cumulative preference shares are those type of preference shares which dividend cumulate year by year. That is called cumulative preference shares. Getting all that? So, if you are not getting, again I am saying what? Cumulate means on shares the company give the dividend. Means dividend means part of profit. Company give to the shareholders what? As a dividend, a fixed amount of dividend. Okay, my dear friends. So that dividend which not withdrawn by the shareholder year by year. Getting? So that type of preference shares उनको क्या कहते हैं हम? cumulative preference shares कहते हैं. cumulative preference shares वो preference shares होता है अगेन जिनका डिविडेंड cumulate होता रहता है, मतलब जमा होता रहता है उन्हीं के खाते में ईयर बाय ईयर, सालों तक. क्लियर? उसको ऐसे शेयर होल्डर को क्या कहेंगे? cumulative preference shares कहते हैं. नॉन cumulative preference shares, non-cumulative preference shares are those type of preference shares which don't cumulate, which dividend don't cumulate. मीन्स इनका डिविडेंड क्या होता है? cumulate नहीं होता है. ये एक पर्टिकुलर ईयर के बाद क्या विड्रॉन कर लेते हैं अपने डिविडेंड को. ऐसे प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स को हम नॉन cumulative प्रेफरेंस शेयर कहते हैं. तीसरा, पार्टिसिपेटिंग प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. Participating preference share are those type of preference shares which profit participate in the company, which dividend participate in the profit of the company. Getting it? Again listen, participating preference share are those type of preference share which dividend participate in the profit of the company. They enjoy the amount of profit. Getting over? So those type of preference share, that is called participating preference share. Non-participating preference share, non-participating preference shares. Non-participating preference share are those type of preference share which don't participate, which don't participate in the profit of the company. Okay. Convertible preference shares. Convertible preference shares are those type of preference shares which can be easily converted in the form of equity shares. Convertible preference shares, again I am saying convertible preference shares are those type of preference shares which can which can be converted in the form of equity shares. Okay, that is called convertible preference share. Non-convertible preference shares. Non-convertible preference shares are those type of preference shares which cannot which cannot convert in the form of equity shares. So these are called non-convertible preference shares. Okay. Next, redeemable preference shares. Redeemable preference shares are those type of preferences which can redeem after a specific period of time. Okay, redeemable preference shares are those type of preference shares which can be redeemed after a specific period of time. मतलब किसी एक specific period time के बाद हमको इनका पेमेंट करना पड़ता है. इनको हम redeemable preference shares कहते हैं. Irredeemable preference share. Irredeemable preference shares are those type of preference shares. Irredeemable preference shares are those type of preference shares which can be redeemed at the time of winding up or up to the completion of 20 years. मतलब या तो 20 साल के बाद करेंगे या फिर वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ द कंपनी के टाइम हम करेंगे. तो ये रहा कॉन्सेप्ट मेरा प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स का. अब इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस फ्रॉम द कंपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, फ्रॉम द शेयर होल्डर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. Okay, my dear students, if you have any problem regarding this, so you can ask me the questions. Okay, for today, thank you very much.